Played forward, clever turn, looking to release the pass down the left-hand side. Tomlinson with the cross into the box. A chance for the goal. What a goal that is! A magnificent finish. He had no right, with the ball going behind him, to hook that back with that kind of pace and the accuracy. Sensational goal. And how about that to open the scoring in a tight and cagey game, as KARBI Anglong FC have the first goal in quite sensational fashion. What a run this is from Tomlinson. Look at this. Ball into the box is perfect. And how about that for a finish? Pessier with his second goal in Group D. And he won't score any better. Look at the run. He just peels away from his marker. Gets enough from it. Look at this. He has no right to get that connection on it. It is a special finish from a special player. In the pink and white kit, chasing a goal down here against a very experienced, very tight unit. KARBI Anglong Morningstar FC have really been very rarely put a foot wrong in this tournament so far. Robinson winning the ball back. Sheetal under a bit of pressure, does well to spoon the ball forward. Here's Robinson. It's a quick start here from the home side. A bit of delay. Here's Robinson. Beautifully done. Oh, what a clearance that is. Sensational football from half. But a sensational goal line clearance there from what looked like Abhimanyu. It's Abhimanyu or Altaf who made that clearance. There's a chance here and he makes it 2-0. Keeper in no man's land. And KARBI Anglong Morningstar FC have really started the second half like a house on fire. And it's Pessier who's gotten his brace and doubles his team's lead. Jaipur Elite FC had gotten a warning sign early on. And they went with the aerial delivery. Pessier with a strong, brave header. He was facing away from goal, but he still manages to get there on target. What about this from Tomlinson? It is the same combination. Lovely clip ball into the box. Now, whether or not the final touch has come off Bersal, the goal should be credited to Pessier. Brilliant work. 2 assists for Tomlinson. There's a brilliant work this from Robinson. Looks to put the low cross into the box. It's well defended to make it 3-0. He makes no mistake at the far stick. And Kongsai, who's come so close on so many occasions, this time buries it to make it 3-0. Are the home side, home fans happy about it? You betcha. Brilliant scenes. They have been thoroughly entertained. Again, decisive work in the forward areas. The overload was created on the right-hand side. There were 2 players queuing up. And it was Kongsai with a low, hard drive. Robinson with his driving run. Catalyst there. Made no mistake to slot that in. Such a key part in the second half. Just decided that he's just going to take over. Put his head down, really drove with the ball, created all sorts of problems. Kongsai, rewarded with the start, has rewarded his coach with the goal. The defense. This is a performance that will really put Group D on notice here. Strong play here from Bersal, keeping the ball with immense pressure. Again, closing the space down. Brilliant work off the ball here. Looks to put the afterburners on the right-hand side. Again, looks to pinch the ball. Cross is good. Leaves it. That's brilliant to make it 4! Sensational football. My goodness me, that is brilliant. The dummy is special. The finish is brilliant. Sensational football. They have put on a show for their fans, and that goal is the pick of the bunch. He did so well to keep the ball at the byline,